A Sunday night candlelight vigil honored the life of late Supreme Court Judge Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who passed away late last week following a battle with cancer. The vigil was hosted by the Jamestown Justice Coalition and took place at Jamestown's Dow Park. The remembrance was part of several vigils across Western New York, including some in Fredonia and Buffalo. More than 30 people were in attendance, including Sharon Bessett, who tells us she idolized the judge.
She was really a guiding light, I think, to many of us as women, and the fact that she cared so deeply about groups that have been disenfranchised, the LGBTQ community, for instance, and she stood up for the Affordable Care Act, and I'm a person with a disability that desperately needs health insurance. So, I mean, she was not only a role model, but she impacted my life in everyday ways.
She says even though she knew Ginsburg was in failing health, the news of her death came as a shock. Ginsburg suffered from 5 bouts of cancer, most recently a reoccurrence in early 2020 when a biopsy revealed lessons on her liver. The judge was appointed to the nation's highest court in 1993 by President Bill Clinton, and in recent years served as the most senior member of the court's liberal wing, consistently delivering progressive votes on some of the most decisive social issues of the day, including abortion rights, same-sex marriage, voting rights, immigration, health care, and affirmative action. And now a battle is brewing following her death. President Trump is likely to nominate a replacement this week, while Democrats say the process should wait until after the election. Our John Lawrence explains.
As mourners hold nationwide vigils for Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Republicans plan for her successor.
Now it says the president is supposed to fill the seat, right? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to fill the seat.
That could lead to a supreme fight.
She said, "My most fervent wish is that I will not be replaced until a new president is installed."
Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is pressing for a vote, but can likely only lose 3 GOP senators for the nomination to pass. And there is an elephant in McConnell's room.
But he created a new rule, the McConnell rule. Absolutely no hearing, no vote for a nominee in an election year, period. No caveats.
More than 4 years ago, McConnell led Republicans who refused to have a hearing or vote on then-President Barack Obama's Supreme Court nominee, Merrick Garland, saying,
"This appointment should be made by the next president."
But the White House says this is a matter of apples and oranges.
I reject the notion there's hypocrisy. As I said, the historical precedent is when your party's in power and the president nominates consistently, going back to George Washington, the party has continued to confirm those nominees.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.
John, thank you. So far, Republican Senators Lisa Murkowski of Alaska and Susan Collins of Maine say they oppose a vote on the Supreme Court nominee before Election Day.